Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the top 9 new CPG launches of 2025, from spicy lip balms to probiotic cleaning sprays. Some of these are genius, let's see. First up, Burt's Bees and Mike's Hot Honey Lip Balm. Yes, chili flavored lip balm. Bold move. Some love it, some are asking, if my lips are burning, shouldn't I be calling a doctor? Either way, it's getting people talking. This limited edition balm combines Burt's Bees' classic beeswax formula with the sweet and spicy flavor of Mike's Hot Honey, creating a lip care product you can't ignore. Speaking of limited time indulgences, next we have Twix Snickerdoodle Limited Edition. Cinnamon sugar, gooey caramel, and crunchy cookie all in one bar. Twix has taken its classic bar and added a snickerdoodle twist, giving you that cozy, cookie-inspired flavor. Limited edition means it'll be gone fast, so grab it while you can. From sweet indulgence to sparkling luxury, 1800 Tequila's Diamond Jewelry takes it to a whole new level. A 5.5 carat synthetic diamond inspired by the blue Weber agave plant. Tequila and diamonds? Sometimes brand extensions really go all out. This piece is designed by Jonathan Raksha, set in a 70 carat white sapphire, and mirrors the intricate texture of the agave plant. It's a bold, luxurious statement for fans of both spirits and design. Back to something a little more down to earth, Brawny 3-ply paper towels have relaunched. 3-ply strength and durability for tackling any mess. It's not glamorous, but this is the kind of innovation your kitchen actually notices. These are the strongest, most absorbent towels on the market, designed for heavy-duty cleaning without compromise. And this is where brands like Brawny really shine when they understand their customers. At Xena Intelligence, we help companies do just that. Our AI-driven insights uncover consumer trends, reveal preferences, and enable smarter decisions to launch products that truly resonate. Whether it's CPG, beverages, or home goods, Xena gives brands the clarity they need to focus their resources where it matters most. Now, for a twist on your usual summer drinks, Nescafe and Swoon have teamed up to create the Espresso Lemonade Kit. Featuring Nescafe Espresso Concentrate, classic lemonade, and optional flavor add-ins like sweet vanilla, this TikTok-inspired combo proves some of the best ideas come straight from social media trends. It's refreshing, bold, and perfect for experimenting with iced coffee like never before. Switching gears from drinks to wellness, Tylenol Proactive Support is a drug-free supplement with turmeric and tamarind, designed to improve joint comfort and flexibility in just 5 days. Pharma meets lifestyle, perfect for those looking for natural support to stay active. Sticking with fun collaborations, Pop-Tarts and Marvel Fantastic Four Edition brings blue raspberry flavor and superhero designs together. Sugar with a cape, perfect for fans and collectors alike. Each box includes 4 flavors, each inspired by one of the Fantastic Four, making it a limited edition that's both nostalgic and delicious. From breakfast to cleaning, Cif Infinite Clean Probiotic Spray is tackling household chores in a new way. Using probiotics to maintain a longer lasting clean, it's essentially bacteria doing your work for you. This versatile spray works on multiple surfaces, is safe for pets and children, and brings a whole new layer to what we expect from cleaning products. And finally, rounding out the list with something for your sweet tooth and your feed. Magnum Lemontini Pop-Up. Ice cream meets Instagram moment. Lemon-infused Magnum ice cream served in a martini glass, complete with a lemon twist, garnish, and sprinkles. It's a chic, photogenic treat designed as much for sharing on social media as for enjoying yourself. That's our top 9 CPG launches for 2025. Some are playful, some are luxurious, and all are pushing the boundaries of what we expect from everyday products. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest trends in CPG.